Hi everyone, and welcome to this video on how to use Facebook to generate leads. In this video, we will go over all the steps involved in creating, optimizing, and executing Facebook marketing campaigns to effectively attract potential customers, gather their contact information, and nurture relationships with them. Section 1. The importance of lead generation. Lead generation is a crucial aspect of any marketing strategy. By generating leads, you can identify potential customers who are interested in your products or services and nurture them through the sales funnel, ultimately converting them into paying customers. Facebook offers a powerful platform for lead generation due to its vast reach, diverse audience demographics, and targeted advertising capabilities. Section 2. Creating lead generation goals. Before embarking on your Facebook lead generation journey, it's essential to establish clear and measurable goals. What do you hope to achieve with your lead generation campaigns? Are you aiming to increase the number of qualified leads, generate leads for specific products or services, or expand your customer base? Clearly defined goals will guide your campaign strategies and help you evaluate their success. Section 3. Identifying your target audience. Defining your ideal customer profile is crucial for effective lead generation. Consider factors such as age, gender, location, interests, and online behavior to create a comprehensive understanding of your target audience. Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to gain deeper insights into your target audience's demographics, preferences, and online habits. Section 4. Crafting compelling lead magnets. A lead magnet is an irresistible offer that entices potential customers to provide their contact information in exchange for valuable content or benefits. It could be a white paper, ebook, discount code, webinar access, or any other resource that addresses your target audience's pain points and interests. Section 5. Designing engaging lead forms. Your lead form should be simple, easy to fill out, and mobile-friendly. Minimize the number of required fields to avoid overwhelming potential customers. Use clear and concise language, and ensure the form is visually appealing and aligned with your brand identity. Section 6. Selecting effective ad formats. Facebook offers a variety of ad formats for lead generation, including image ads. Use high-quality images that capture attention and convey the value of your lead magnet. Video ads. Utilize engaging video content to highlight the benefits of your lead magnet and showcase your brand personality. Carousel ads. Showcase multiple images or videos, allowing users to swipe through and discover more about your lead magnet. Story ads. Leverage the immersive nature of Facebook stories to capture attention and encourage users to swipe up to access your lead form. Section 7. Optimizing your lead generation campaigns. Once your campaigns are running, continuous optimization is essential to maximize their effectiveness. Monitor campaign performance. Regularly track metrics such as impressions, clicks, cost per lead, corporal, and lead quality. Identify trends or patterns that indicate the effectiveness of your ads. Refine targeting. Based on your analytics, adjust your targeting to reach the most relevant audience. Optimize your ad spend by focusing on users who are more likely to engage with your lead magnet and provide their contact information. A/B test lead magnets and forms. Experiment with different lead magnets and lead form variations to determine which ones generate the most leads and the highest conversion rates. Track lead quality. Not all leads are created equal. Use tools like CRM software to assess the quality of your leads based on their engagement levels, interests, and fit with your target audience. Nurture leads through email marketing. Once you've captured leads, nurture them through email marketing campaigns. Provide valuable content, address their pain points, and guide them through the sales funnel. Facebook offers a powerful platform for generating high-quality leads that can fuel your business growth. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can create effective lead generation campaigns, optimize their performance, and nurture relationships with potential customers. Remember, lead generation is an ongoing process that requires continuous monitoring, optimization, and adaptation to evolving user behavior and industry trends. With a strategic approach and data-driven decision-making, you can leverage Facebook to generate a steady stream of qualified leads and convert them into loyal customers. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below.